Crypto especially has been in the news a ton recently. And it's no big surprise, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. With the unpredictable idea of crypto costs, it's certainly simple to generally become involved with the publicity, or so they in a real sense thought. The vast majority really are centered around the crypto market drifts just. However, there are truly various fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. What's more, one of them sort of is loaning advanced money, or so they most certainly thought. That model truly is executed in abracadabra. Money, an extremely strange undertaking we'll generally examine today, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. How about we explicitly get into it? Anyway, priorities straight. What is abracadabra? Money, abracadabra. Money, or abracadabra, is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sort of sell their resources incredibly. The stage really is controlled by blockchain innovation and truly offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and getting administrations, which is genuinely huge. Abracadabra permits clients to explicitly choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, credit length, and truly guarantee prerequisites in a significant way. The stage likewise gives a gamble-the-board framework to really safeguard loan specialists from defaulting borrowers in a very large manner. Administration clients can truly use their computerized resources as extremely security to truly acquire MIM, or Wizardry Web Cash, the venture's stablecoin fixed to USD, which sort of is genuinely huge. The MIM stablecoin can truly be traded for USD or any and every practical sense, other digital money. MIM's extremely current coursing supply is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion, in spite of mainstream thinking. Fixed to USD. MIM's fundamentally current kind of typical cost esteem especially is around 99 cents. An administration kind of token most certainly is a sort of cryptographic money truly token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertaking's heading. Or so they thought. Advancement choices, for instance, could sort of be in a real sense put to the vote among token holders. The more tokens an individual or substance holds, the more weight their vote has, which by and large is genuinely critical. Along these lines, administration tokens plan to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or designers and generally give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the undertaking advances in an unpretentious way. Fundamentally, administration token holders sort of are partners in an especially large manner. When generally was the spell kind of token sent off? The primary notice of spell returns to 2021, which really is very critical. Who explicitly is behind the spell genuinely token in an unobtrusive manner? The undertakings group is unknown, and no one truly realizes who basically is behind spell genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Where sort of is the spell really token utilized amazingly? Spell truly is utilized in the abracadabra money biological system as an administration cryptographic money and for charges procured from the convention, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Is the spell token a stablecoin in an unobtrusive manner? No, it's not, or so they thought. What is spell's circling supply? Right now, sort of spell has a coursing supply of north of 83 billion tokens, or so they certainly thought. Spell really token value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of sort of spell fundamentally token costs expected in 2022, the essentially least expensive most certainly spell token will be $0, which really is genuinely huge. The in every practical sense, greatest level that the spell cost can reach basically is $0, which is very huge. The typical exchanging cost truly is normal around $0 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Spell commonly token value forecast 2023, which basically is very critical. After the examination of the costs of fundamentally spell token in earlier years, it generally is expected that in 2023, the base cost of in every practical sense, spell token will in a real sense be around $0, or so they in a real sense thought. The truly greatest expected truly spell cost may generally be around $0, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost could especially be $0 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Spell genuinely token value expectation 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge, in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of certainly spell token. In 2024, in every practical sense, spell really is supposed to have the accompanying certainly least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately, which truly is very critical in fact. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost explicitly is $0, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell token value expectation 2025 in a by and large significant manner. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money certainly have broke down the costs of in a real sense spell really token and their changes during the earlier years. certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. It truly is expected that in 2025, the truly least truly spell cost could drop to $0, while its sort of most extreme can reach $0 in unpretentious manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will in a real sense be around $0. Spell token value forecast 2026, or so they thought, in view of the examination of the expenses of most certainly spell token by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and kind of least especially spell costs fundamentally are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0. Overall, it will explicitly be exchanged at $0, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell genuinely token value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists, by and large, are continually examining the variances of explicitly spell genuinely token in a very significant manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed normal generally spell cost will really be around 1 cent, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. It could drop to a kind of least of 1 cent. However, it actually could explicitly reach 1 cent all through 2027. Spell really token value forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of spell kind of token. It truly is assessed that by and large spell will basically be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Its fundamentally normal expense is normal at around 1 cent during the year, which most certainly is very critical. Spell certainly token value forecast 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to in a real sense declare their assessments of the spell token's cost in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest really spell cost of 3 cents, or so they thought. In any case, its rate could drop to around 2 cents, or so they thought. In this way, the normal by and large normal exchanging cost really is 2 cents, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell token value expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the spell token cost, crypto specialists fundamentally are truly prepared to sort of give their basically spell cost assessment for 2030, which really is very critical. It will especially be exchanged for somewhere around 3 cents, with the genuinely conceivable by and large most extreme tops at 4 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. By and large, you can for the most part anticipate that the spell cost should be around 4 cents in 2030, which in a real sense is very huge. Spell really token value forecast 2031 in a sort of enormous manner. Digital currency examiners in every practical sense are prepared to really declare their assessments of the spell token's cost, which most certainly is genuinely critical. A year 2031 not entirely set in stone by the in every practical sense, most extreme fundamentally spell cost of 6 cents. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around 5 cents, or so they basically thought. Thus, the normal certainly normal exchanging cost truly is 6 cents, which in a real sense is very critical.